Hey everybody else, today I gonna share with you some important tips and techniques how you can boost your scores in mathematics if you are preparing for SSC exams, any exams of SSC like CHSL, CGL, MTS, stenographer, any exams. If you are preparing for, then yes, you are in the right place. I'm going to discuss all the things which you should follow or what's the thing you should not follow. Also, I will share the things how I improved my mathematics and how I boost my score in mathematics. So, hi everyone once again, and I'm Jabin. So, let's get started. Firstly, you have to see the structure what you have to read in mathematics. This is the actual structures of exam in mathematics. There is a two parts, arithmetic and advanced. These two parts you have to see. Then I divided the arithmetics in some chapters. Here you can see if possible, that is percentage, profit and loss, compound and simple interest, time, work and wages, time, speed and distance, average, ratio and proportions, partnership, mixtures and allegation. And in the advanced chapter you have to do this geometry, mensuration both 2D and 3D are asked in the exams, trigonometry, algebra, number system, DI, that is data interpretations, and probability. So basically you have to prepare for these exams. Okay, now I will suggest you to take a pet class no matter how intelligent you are in mathematics. But if you are preparing for any competitive exams, then it's better to get a paid classes of famous teachers which are available on YouTube. First, see the teachers of which you can teachers whom you can understand better and take the classes and just complete all these chapters and all the basics, because in the exam hall, no matter whether you are intelligent or not, speed and accuracy matters most, so you have to take these classes. Of course you can do it with your own, but it will take so many time. Why wasting your time like this? It's better to invest it in somewhere. That's why I'm telling you that things. Now the next what you will do, it's your choice. I just giving you my recommendation which I think it's better to take a pet class. Okay, first complete your basics, and after then what you should do, you should do complete your pyq questions, because whenever you completing your pyq questions you can see the structures of question, how questions are given in the exams, and are you able to solve this or not. It will be checked by you, then give mocks and see where you are doing mistake, which subjects of maths you should give time, you analyze it and then solve this your problem. Past complete basics all these chapters, then do pyq questions and then go for mocks chapter wise. When I will not tell you that first complete all the basics and then go for mocks give your mocks parallelly with solving the basics. For example, when you have completed one chapter percentage, then give the mock test subject wise mock test of percentage chapter. See that whether are you able to complete all the questions within time or not, where are you doing mistake, all the things that you can, and do practice, because practice makes a man perfect. So do these things. And I actually did the things, but yes, I did some mistakes. I initially, when I don't have any guidance and I ask for everybody. What should I read? How can I practice? And how can I prepare for my exams? But somehow I came to know that I should buy these books. This is Quantitative Attitude of R.S. Agarwal. Here you can see. I book I bought these books. Yes, it is so bulky books, and I practiced these 2 times. I completed all the chapters here, and I thought that yes, now I am able to qualify any exams, competitive exam, because I have completed it. But I was totally wrong. And in the preparations of SSC, this you don't need this types of books, and this version of this book was too old and this is not updated. This is the cons of this book. Yes, explanation was very good, but you don't have to buy this types of books, which I did mistake. So please, you don't that mistake which I did in my life. So now what you should do, and what I did and I learned, that is I bought a paid classes, and then I make proper notes. You can see here, this is my mathematics notes to numbers 3. Here you can see my notes here. I made the notes. Yes, this is also waste of time, but I did actually. I write all the questions first and then I wrote the answer. And writing questions, it takes so much time. Answer, I just write the answer in a very short manner, because in the exam hall you have to do all the questions in a very short time. There is don't too much time you can do. That is, all the structures are there. How I made my notes in my own hand. This is not by notes, and I would also suggest you to make your notes with your own hand. It will help you. Here chapters, and you can see my notes here. I'm just trying to show you all my notes so that you can believe me that I am not making fun here. I'm just trying to show you. Yes, see my notes. Yes, all these are so my notes. I have 6 notes here, you can see. Yes, and these are the notes. All these are PYQ questions, and the thing I did in my this notebook, same questions are given here. Yes, some extra PYQ questions also are given here, but answer is not given here. Total answer is given here. So I practice it more than 10 times. You can imagine how much I practice here. All the questions here, it got repetitions in my mind so carefully and in a very good way, so that in the exam hall I don't have to think too much. I knew all the structures of the questions. All these are questions. Now I'm gonna tell you what I mistake again I did in my life. I randomly search for a mathematics teachers. I will not gonna tell you that the name of this mathematics teacher. Yes, he is a very famous teacher, and yes, I like her approach in teachings. Her mathematics approach. He is a very good teacher, but he said that he will complete her syllabus within 7 to 8 month maximum time, but he took more than a year, and for this in my first attempt I could not complete my practice, and that's why I couldn't able to qualify in the exams, because in the exam hall only one subject is not gonna give you selection. For this you have to prepare all the subjects, so you should give all the subject your time. And for this I will recommend you, don't buy live batch, because live batch is costly, and maybe the teacher is demanding you it will complete the syllabus within this time period, but it maybe this is wrong. It may take so long time, so I would suggest you take the recorded class. By taking recorded class you can complete your basic fast and practice, because only class can't help you. You have to practice a lot, because the more you practice the more questions and the answer will be memorized in your mind. You can understand better the thing and your speed will improve, and you if the flow state you will achieve in mathematics, because in mathematics the flow state matters the most. The more you practice the more flow you will become in that chapters, and you will love mathematics. But if you don't practice too much, then if you get in the mock one long question you will skip these questions, and after some time this maths become boring for you. So I will suggest you use very minimum study materials and practice it more and more. You don't need to buy too much books. You don't need to take too much paid courses that yes, I have budget, I can afford it, so I should take too much paid classes. Just follow one or two teacher in mathematics, that's enough, and just practice, because practice is the only thing which is gonna help you in the exams hall. Okay. This is I learned in my life and I'm just telling you. And I will not tell anything else. Just practice a lot, believe in yourself, keep the faith that one day you will clear your exams like me. Till then, practice a lot and all the best for your exams. Till then, bye bye.